The handle scales are black and blue layered G10. Imagine layers of glass cloth soaked in epoxy resin and pressed together under heat. The result is lightweight, grippy, and about as weatherproof as you could ever want. The mechanism is a liner lock with a flipper tab riding on ceramic ball bearings. You can see how easy it is to flip this little knife out. Extremely easy. So this is an easy one-hand operation knife, easy to open, easy to close. So like I told you, it's got ceramic ball bearings that's going to ensure a smooth, seamless opening. When you flick it open, it's smooth and satisfying every single time. I love how it's naturally skewed a little bit at an angle, and that's to accentuate the cutting power of the cleaver-style blade. So how does it feel in the hand? And jimping on the spine, see if I can get that. You have this slight, I'm going to call it gentle jimping on the spine that makes it easy to rest your thumb on for additional control. Good for box cutting, good for kitchen food prep. Opening is super easy, super smooth with those ceramic ball bearings. Let's talk about the real world usage. This is a utility EDC, everyday carry, with attitude, breaking down boxes, slicing rope, cutting cordage. It's more slicing, chopping, and everyday cutting tasks. It's a workhorse knife, and it looks really good doing it.